If you want me to go back to the struggle, government yekole ebintu ejewa amabala na amaloji. Let government close all bars and all lodges. I'll go to the bush and fight. But if women are still here, Abakazi abanyirira from Rwanda are still around, why do I go to the street to shout? Nawe mbulira kati Junior lwachi mbanyendo okufa. When women are here, bars are open. Nwani kati Museveni muwalanire chiru yale. Why should I get angry with His Excellency of how he has led the country? That's none of my business. The day this government will close lodges, negala na mabala, that's when I'll go to the bush. But I'm here now. People are playing sex continuously. Go lieyo. Simanya mubala misoro. Okora ko yuala Mbujuni ya misoro jaffe bajiba idiots. Mudde ku bintu ebibakwatako bayisawe. Start minding your business. Amaloji bagabalekedde. Kosa tizikola. What do you want, Ugandans? Lwaki temusima? Nze tojja kundaba mu struggle. My life is so simple. Kubeera muloji na mabala. That's life. After all, even I'm going to die. Mbujanga olwanirira abaana bo bajja kwerwanirira. My kids will fight for themselves. Akuze mwayingira amaje. Nje sina bintu ebyo. Mbujoni yatulwanirira abazzukulu. Some of you even are important. Temuzala. Kati muzzukulu kigolwanirira. Nze temunyingizangana mu bintu ebyo bya kishiru nabibagana. Mbujoni ya jatu yingire struggle. Goyizo okuteka mu struggle nga loji ziri wali. Women are everywhere. Nze tombulira bintu bya budget. Nabirimu bya nnumya domotwe. Abanego munategera nti some of the things bye munonya are totally none of your business. Kagadi Junior yizo kunzija muloji. Ndi muloji nebas. Nonga anti Junior, there is a strike here. Nawa na Uganda mwabachi. Oba mufachi nenseno. Mujja kunonya je mugoyinga. Mufachi nensi. Ze Junior really kubakazi abali one. These women, some of them even lack a way to stay. But I go to the bush. Nze Junior mba be a hero. I can't be stupid to that extent. How do you really tell me? Kati aha kale kati olonzize nfiriri densi. What next? Fambe trebi ekishiru baiza we start reasoning. Antibacha ina buddo. But don't have time for stress. Eraze mu COVID nali ninze ekitu kimu. President Museveni gwala ko President Museveni mu COVID nga galaloji. Wamuli kota have closed all lodges. Lodges asigalanzi gule mu COVID. He knows. They know that the downfall of this government depends on two things: bars and lodges. Era President Museveni bamuwambira waawo wenyini. Era mu COVID teyakyogera nako. The president did talk about lodges. Zasigalanzi gule. Saunas were open, spas were open. Abanego aje babeeranga benda. Era nze Junior siza kola mbaga. Mbwayimale yu. Kubuno obwenzi obukudde jebe mu Uganda. Omukazi omuteekamu obukadde 10 n'omwanjula owa boda amulira bwerere. Nfunachi. Okay, which business is that really?